You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hey there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I'm super excited because not only is it my birthday, but we have a new Cricut mystery box. And not only do we have a new mystery box, but we have a new cutie. And this box is like perfect for me because if you know me, you know I love glitter, sparkle, all things pretty. And I just looking in this box, I was like, ooh, it's so pretty. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. But first, because we have a new cutie, I'm going to show you the cutie first. And perfect for the holidays, we have the Cricut True Red Cutie. He's a perfect little Christmas color. And in the box, we are getting Cricut mugs. We're getting 2 of the 12-ounce Cricut mugs. Perfect for Christmas gifts because you can make a mug for anyone, from your hairstylist to a teacher to the bus driver to a family member, friend. Everybody loves personalized drinkware these days. So great to make gifts with. And we're getting some beautiful, perfect for the holidays, sparkly glitter red iron-on. And this is 5-foot roll. So you're going to get 12 inches by 5 feet of this sparkly goodness. And don't forget, iron-on and vinyl you can use on cards too. So, and this is so neat. I love this. I'm like playing with it. This is the premium vinyl, the holographic bubbles in silver. And you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of this. Now you see why I was playing with it? In person, it looks even cooler. That's super pretty. Pretty and fun. And we're getting a Cricut True Control Knife. I love this thing. I think X-Acto knife, but this is Cricut's. And we're getting 5 blades with this. So you're going to get the True Control Knife and then 5 replacement blades also. And then we're getting this Cricut Martha Stewart mixed materials one. And I love these because you get a couple different things all in one tube. And this is the gilded veil. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and I'm going to show you what you get inside. Okay, so you're going to get 1 sheet of the gold shimmer vinyl in here. It's very hard to see there, but it's shimmery. Shimmery. Oh, and each of these sheets you're going to get in here are going to be 12 by 18 inches. So this is the frosted vinyl in the opaque. And I kind of pulled it apart here so you can see. Can you see how it's transparent there some? So you can still see through it, which is really neat. So you're going to get a sheet of that. And then you're also going to get a sheet of the premium vinyl in gold also. And it comes with a sheet of transfer tape so you can go ahead and transfer the vinyl. And this is the Precious Metals pack of markers. So these are the 1.0 and this comes in the black, the gold, and the silver, which is perfect for holiday cards. Think holiday cards, let the machine do the writing. You're doing enough already, so let the machine write it out for you. And I really, really, really love to use the gold and the silver on darker materials. It shows up so good. And these just write fabulously. And then we're getting a 12-pack of the Cricut Joy cards, and this is in the gray silver holographic. So, the holographic, what I say unicorns are made of, always. Be really upset if I ever meet a unicorn and they're not holographic. And you can use these with the Cricut Joy card mat, but you're going to get 12 of the gray cards here, and then you're going to get 12 of the beautiful holographic inserts. That's why I say it's unicorns, there's just like a whole rainbow trapped in there. So that is everything, guys, that is in the All That Glitters mystery box. And because we have a new cutie, this is for Cricut Access members only. But you can join Access because there's way more benefits than just being able to purchase these mystery box. You're going to save on every purchase from Cricut. You're going to get access to those hundreds of thousands of images and fonts. And I just don't know how anybody has Cricut without the Cricut Access, because Cricut Access gives you access to so much. Not to mention you get a $10 off coupon every quarter. Access, there we go again, I can never say it. And you get access, no, never gonna. You get access exclusive sales. Lord. Oh, there should be a contest. How many times do I screw up saying the word access in this recording? So the price of the box is $59.99, but because you have to be access, you have your access discount. So it's not $59.99. So go ahead, purchase. If you use the links below, we greatly, greatly appreciate it. We just get a small commission for that, and we are very, very, very thankful for that. Oh, also in the description below, there is our Melody Lane giveaway. So we are giving away a Cricut Joy Xtra bundle, and this giveaway is open until December 5th. So in the description below, you will find out how to enter. So good luck to you all. I know everybody, I love the Cricut Joy Xtra. Like I'm cutting with it so much these days. Between that and the Venture, I just love it. And they're like new toys because they're newer. So you're like, oh, I got new toys. I got the Venture where I can cut all these huge things really quickly, which is phenomenal. Especially if you're doing cards. Just think how many cards you can cut at once. And then the little Cricut Joy Xtra is like perfect for my space. It doesn't take up as much room. I love it. It's got the print and cut. So I have been just playing away with those machines. And Cricut has phenomenal sales going on. So it's currently like maybe Cyber Monday sale. But I think Cricut still has the deal going on where if you spend $100, you get a coupon for $20 to spend in the future. They got 50% off materials and accessories, crazy lowest prices on their machines, bundles. So I will go ahead in the links below, go ahead and throw a link to the Cricut sale too. So go ahead and make your list for Santa. Tell Santa all your wishes. Or be your own Santa and get yourself whatever you like, which is even better. So thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving last week. And it's my birthday today. We're having a birthday hangout in our 24/7 crafting Zoom tonight. And it's also going to be on YouTube. So this is available to all of our Patreon members. Our Patreon members get access... Our Patreon members get access to our 24/7 crafting Zoom and over 1,000 ready-to-make projects, all starting at just $2 a month. So if you're interested in joining the family, go to patreon.com/melodylane. But even if you're not a member, you can come in YouTube. Go ahead and chat with us. We're just going to have a fun night. I'm going to open some of my birthday cards and just hang out with my crafty friends, which I always say are the best friends. And we are also going to be having... December 9th, we're doing our ugly Christmas sweater party in our crafting Zoom, which is always fun. And we're going to have prizes. We're going to have prizes for the prettiest, for the most creative, the funniest. So make sure you join because we have fun events always. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys all have a great week. Bye!